Hey everyone, we're back. I just wanted to let you know there's apparently a new summer event going on. Let's see what all the hustle and bustle is. So you go to the shop. Guess what? There's a different type of area you can buy things. Summer shop, yes. Ooh, look at all these awesome items. They're all legendary, yes. You heard me right, legendary. Throughout the game, you'll end up getting fruit baskets, and you can collect them throughout the game. When you die, it'll give you some anyways. 15, 13, maybe even 20. I don't know. I just know 15 and 13 is how many you can get after you die. And you can get them throughout the map. And each one is this many baskets for one item. Look at this sandcastle. Ooh. It starts June 29th, ends at July 20th, and random item at the end. Ooh, legendary. Besides getting the items right here with the fruit baskets, there's more items at the bottom. You can get 17, but it's going to be random for that list, and they're completely separate from up here. Also guys, guess what? We're going to get 2 new animal colors in the research lab. Avocado Sloth.
It's the wolf.
Ooh, dragon fruit, yes. Nom nom nom. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, that is pretty. I will take that. Finally have it. Yeah.